In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames to place a photo into a design. If you want to create a polished layout quickly, frames are a really useful tool. They let you drop an image into a preset shape or container, so your photo automatically fits neatly inside the design. This is especially helpful for things like social media graphics, presentations, invitations, or any project where you want your images to look clean and intentional. To get started, open the Elements panel in your design workspace. This is where you'll find a wide range of visual items you can add to your project, including shapes, graphics, and frames. Once you're there, use the search bar and type in frames. This will bring up the available frame options, and you can browse through them to find one that suits the look you want. Some frames are simple rectangles or circles, while others are more decorative, so choose the one that best fits your design. When you've found a frame you like, drag it onto your canvas. Place it where you want the image to appear. At this stage, you can also resize the frame if needed, so it works better with the rest of your layout. Getting the frame position right before adding the image can save you time later. Next, upload the photo you want to use. If your image isn't already in the project, bring it into the editor from your device. Make sure you choose a photo that works well with the frame shape, since some parts of the image may be cropped depending on the frame style and dimensions. Once your photo has been uploaded, drag it over to the frame and drop it directly inside. When you place it correctly, the image will snap into the frame automatically. This is the key part of the process. Instead of just sitting on top of the frame, the photo becomes contained within it, giving you a much more professional result. If the photo doesn't look quite right at first, don't worry. You can usually click on the image inside the frame and adjust its position so the most important part of the photo is visible. This is useful if the subject is slightly off-center or if the frame crops more than expected. And that's it. By opening Elements, searching for frames, dragging a frame onto the canvas, uploading your photo, and dropping it into the frame, you can create a cleaner and more stylish design in just a few moments.